Welcome to the channel. I'm Dave, Geezer Geek if you like, and this is my intro and channel update for early spring 2021. It'll be short, and for more information about me, please check the link up there in that corner. First, let me say thank you to my new subscribers. I'm gratified that you found something here that was either helpful enough or interesting enough or perhaps humorous enough for you to stick around and seek more of my content. I'm glad you're here. And I do plan to keep providing content on things that you can do with tech. I will have another one coming shortly, this month, hopefully next week. More on that in a minute. So what is happening with this channel? As you no doubt have noticed, it has been quite a while since my last video. And frankly, it's because this pandemic has been kicking my backside. I'm sure that you also will be glad when we have enough people vaccinated that we can get back to some kind of more normal routine. For me, the pandemic has meant roughly double my workload, which was already full-time, and to say that that left little time or energy for content creation for my own channel would be a massive understatement. Working for a certain 501c3, my workload shifted last year from scripting and presentation productions and print and in-person content to a new kind of scripting, and then video recording and editing and rendering and all of the stuff that goes with it for use on another YouTube channel. And by the time my work week was complete, I really needed a couple of days to rest and reset and recenter. As mentioned, I do have more content in the process for this channel, just needing final editing at this point. And I have still more content beyond that planned. But lately I just couldn't set myself down to edit another video. As the social dynamics change with the rollout of these vaccinations, my efforts with the 501c3 will continue to evolve. Right now, I don't know what will be a realistic production schedule for me. Last year, I'd hoped to produce at least a couple videos a month, and we've seen how unrealistic that proved to be with the onset of the pandemic. This time, I'm setting a hopeful goal of one video every 4 to 6 weeks. We'll see. The next video will be on the use of chroma key with OBS. In my last video, I talked to you about lighting. Mastering your lighting is important for good video, whether or not you try to use a green screen or blue screen or whatever. The link that you see up there in the corner, that's for that video on lighting. With chroma key, developing some finesse with your lighting becomes critical. And then you need patience as you hone and refine both your camera settings and your chroma key settings. This is essential for your best video effect. So in my next video, I'll be showing you my process for setting up chroma key with OBS using two different cameras. I have wondered about adding a third, but I'm not sure how much knowledge that would really add at this point. The bottom line, be watching for a video on the use of chroma key, perhaps as soon as next week. I appreciate getting the comments that I've received, and if there are specific questions about any of my videos, any of them, I'll be happy to try to address them. That is definitely easier for me at this point than trying to add more time video editing. If I reply, though, with questions for you, I hope that you'll take the time to answer those questions. I ask them so that I can provide good answers for you. And again, if you have ideas for me, videos you'd like to see from me, let me know in the comments. I'll see what I can do. Just don't expect next day turnaround on them. I hope that you and yours are well. And until next time, stay safe, stay curious.